we have reviewed three solving word problems involving fractions. So we must be able to use models to represent the problem situation and solve word problems on addition and subtraction of fractions. How to add and subtract fractions? In adding fractions, first, find the least common multiple of the denominators. Second, make equivalent fractions. Third, add the numerators. Fourth, keep the denominators the same, then simplify. For example, 2/3 plus 2/5. So we're going to find the least common multiple, which is 15. So the 2/3 we're going to multiply by 5 to make it 10 over 15. The 2/5 we're going to multiply both numbers by 3 so that we have 6 over 15. Then add the numerators. 10 plus 6 is 16. Keep the denominators the same, so we have 15. 16 over 15 can be write as mixed number, and it is equal to 1 and 1/15. In subtracting fractions, first, find the least common multiple of the denominators. Second, make equivalent fractions. Third, subtract the numerators. Fourth, keep the denominators the same, then simplify. For example, 5 over 8 minus 1/4. So we're going to have the least common multiple, which is 8. Let's make equivalent fractions. So we have 5 over 8 minus 2 over 8. Subtract the numerators. 5 minus 2 is 3. And keep the denominators same. So we have 3 over 8. How to solve word problems involving fractions. So the steps in solving word problems, we have the mnemonics cubes. C. Circle important numbers. U. Underline the question you need to answer. B. Box key math words. E. Evaluate and eliminate unnecessary information. S. Solve and double check your work. Let's have this example. Stephen spent 2/5 of his pocket money on food and 1/3 on transport. What fraction of his money he spent? So we have the important numbers 2/5 and 1/3. Let's underline the question. What fraction of his money he spent? Box the keyword. What is the keyword here? Very good. The amount of money he spent. So these two fractions he spent. It means we're going to add 2/5 and 1/3. Very good.
Okay, so 2/5 plus 1/3. So you can see the denominators are not the same. So we cannot add this fraction. So we need to make denominators same first. So how are we going to do that? Yes, 3 cannot become 5. It means we're going to take the least common multiple by taking the multiples of 5 and 3. So let's write down multiples of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, how about 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Very good. Exactly, we have 15 as the common multiple. It means 5 and 3 here, we're going to make into 15. This 5, how are we going to make into 15? Very good. Multiply by 3, same with the numerator. So 2 times 3 is 6. Very good. How about this 3? How to make into 15? Yes, multiply by 5, same on the numerator. 1 times 5, very good, 5. Can we add now the fraction? Yes, because we have the same denominators. So just add the numerators. 6 plus 5 is 11. Then copy the same denominator, 15. So we have 11 over 15.
Another example, Ravi bought 1 meter of rope. He used 3/5 meters of the rope to tie some newspapers and 1/10 meters for his bike. How much rope had he left? Okay, let's circle the numbers 1 meter, 3/5 meters, and 1/10 meters. Let's underline the question, how much rope had he left? So the keyword here is, very good, left. It means we're going to subtract. Very good. So if we have here the total is 1 meter, this is 1/10 meters, 3/5 meters. How to find the length of rope left?
If we use 1/10 and 3/5, how long left? Very good. We're going to subtract. So 1 minus 1/10 minus 3/5. So how are we going to subtract this? Very good. The whole number we make into fraction by writing 1 as the denominator. You can see that the denominators are not the same. We're going to make denominators same. Okay. So what we're going to do is to make 1 into 10. Can. How about 5 into 10? Can. Let's make the fractions denominator equal to 10. So this one, how to make into 10? Yes, times 10 times 10. So 1 times 10 is 10. This one, just copy. How about 5? We make into 10. Very good. Multiply 2. Same with the numerator. So 3 times 2 is 6. So all their denominators are the same, which is 10. So we can subtract the numerators. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. Very good. So we have 3 over 10. Just copy the common denominator. So we have 3 over 10 meters.
To sum up our lesson word problem steps, we have the mnemonics cubes. C. Circle the number. U. Underline question. B. Box the keywords. E. Eliminate and equal weight. S. Solve and check.